Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you 5 ways to use your extra virgin coconut oil from cooking to massaging and even including into your skincare and as well as your healthcare product. Now not all extra virgin oil works wholly solely for multi usages, but this one in particular by Wow Skin Life Science extra virgin coconut oil, which is 100% cholesterol free and trans fat free, which is unrefined, unbleached, and it doesn't have any kind of artificial scent. For that matter, the coconut oil which you get here is being sourced from the coconuts from Kerala, so you get the very nice gentle coconut scent and it will really make you feel that you're sitting right in south. So yes, this is how it comes in a plastic bottle, which will cost you $499, and you get 400 ml of product. If you want to find out if the product is real and it is well made by Wow, you can actually scan the QR code and find out the authenticity of the product. All in all, this product can be used for multiple usages. I have been using this oil past 3 months and I absolutely enjoy it. So I thought might as well share the different ways I include extra virgin coconut oil in my life. The first way you can actually use this oil is, you can use it as your hair oil. So what I like to do is just partition my hair and apply this oil all over my hair. You can actually use this oil on your baby's hair also. But yes, this is how I do it without mixing anything. You just have to take a little bit of oil, massage it well, and you get the smoothest and the softest hair after your wash. If you are a person who likes to mix a lot of things to your hair oil, you can actually mix other essential oils to this interesting extra virgin coconut oil, but I like to go in directly because yes, I am suffering with hair fall, and for some reason this oil has worked really well on my hair and my scalp to make it more softer and smoother looking, and yes, it has given me a little bit of volume too. So all in all, just massage it, leave it for some time, and then wash it off with your favorite shampoo. The shampoo I'm using currently is the Wow Skin Science onion seed shampoo and conditioner. They have been really working well. Soon I will talk about them later in some other video, but yes, this is the oil which I've been applying on my hair with other oils by Wow Science, but this one can be used by itself. So this is the first way I use my extra virgin coconut oil. The second way is basically you can use the same oil and take 2 to 3 drops of the oil, tap it between your finger, give a little bit of warmth and apply it all over your face, your lips, your eyes, your nose, and spread the same oil on your hands, your elbows and your leg and feet. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, as I'm going to leave this oil on my hair also for 15-20 minutes, and then wash off. The best thing what it does, basically it works on your anti-aging. If you're into your aging, it gives you more smoother skin and gives you a more youthful skin, and it really helps to keep the hydration in place if you are a person who suffers from dry skin or dry skin patches. So I have a super dry body, so I like to include this oil as a lotion on my body before bath, and frankly speaking, after my bath I really don't have to go in with the lotion. I'm not just saying because I want to say this. I have stopped using body lotions on my body past 1 month because I have included this step, and it works absolutely well because it's not the normal coconut oil, it's the pure form of coconut oil which goes deep inside your skin cells and work within. So yes, this is the second way you can include your extra virgin oil and give more nourishment to your body. way where I use this same extra virgin oil is for a delicate cooking, or if you want to cook your fish curry in coconut oil, if you're a South Indian, want to have a coconut oil in your food. This is the measuring cup which comes with the oil, and I just put 15 ml. Now it has avocado, which is rich in lauric acid. If you're not aware, lauric acid is rich in mother's milk also. Now what I do, basically put this 15 ml and I add any other oil of mine and cook my food. So today I made Maggi. Simple food. As I said, you can include this in your daily cooking, as well as you can use it for normal general cooking and add to your salads also. So again, a wonderful way to consume coconut oil, and yes, I absolutely love the scent of it in my food, and well made extra virgin oil. The fourth way I use this oil, definitely massage my baby. Now yes, my baby agreed to film this video for me. So yes, I do massage his hair with the oil. I massage his hands, legs, whole body in general. Like any other Indian mother would do, massage the baby. I like to do it with this particular oil because for some reason extra virgin coconut oil he is not allergic to, and yes, this oil quickly absorbs into his skin. What it basically do, it will helps to improve his body blood flow and protects him from any kind of infection, and it basically relaxes the baby. And if you're aware, when you once massage the baby, give him a nice bath, he just goes off to bed and sleeps well. So yes, again, a best way to use and include extra virgin coconut oil for your babies, and I totally love putting it on his body, and he personally also enjoys to get a massage from this oil. So yes, this is the another best way you can include this oil in your daily life. So guys, now you know you can apply this oil on your hair. Now that I've already done in the morning and I washed off my hair. Now there's another way where you can include this oil, and I like doing this with my face mask. Now you can mix 2 to 3 drops of this oil to any face mask you have, just to make it more hydrating and more moisturizing, because yes, face masks do tend to dry out your face. Not every face mask is hydrating. So this is a better addition to any drying face mask you have, and you will definitely see a vast difference in your skin. So this is the spot corrector one. I have applied it all over my face. Now बस मैं इसको 10 मिनट रखूंगी और done. धो लीजिए face. आपको कोई भी ऑयलीनेस या स्टिकीनेस या क्रीसीनेस फील नहीं होगी. उल्टा आपको मॉइस्चराइजर तुरंत लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज आपने कोकोनट ऑयल डाला है, वो भी एक्स्ट्रा वर्जिन कोकोनट ऑयल. सो इट रियली गिव्स यू दैट नाइस सॉफ्ट and good smooth skin with good amount of hydration. So मैं ऐसे यूज़ करती हूँ अपना एक्स्ट्रा वर्जिन कोकोनट ऑयल. सो एज आई सेड, एक्स्ट्रा वर्जिन कोकोनट ऑयल बहुत तरीक़ों से इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं हम, और ये एक तरीका है जो आप यूज़ कीजिए और आपको अपने स्किन में एक बहुत ही अच्छा चेंज दिखेगा, एंड यू विल फील दैट योर स्किन इज़ मोर क्लियरर एंड मोर सॉफ्टर एंड स्मूदर एंड जस्ट लाइक a new baby skin. So these are the 5 ways I like using my extra virgin coconut oil in my daily routine and my daily life, and I do use this oil during my bath and as well as for gargling at times to clear up my throat. And yes, all the products from Wow are cruelty free and vegan, and yes, it is a made in India product, and all the links will be mentioned in my description. If you want to check out this product, I bought mine from Wow app, that will also be listed in my description. So I will see you soon with some more such videos. Till then, you take care and bye bye.